Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Revolut eSIM. Very easy. First I want you to launch your settings and then come and click on mobile or cellular right here and then click on setup mobile. So you have two options here, okay? You can either transfer from a nearby iPhone or you can use a QR code. So I want you to go ahead and click on use QR code and just go ahead and scan the QR code that you'll actually be provided by Revolut. So our service provider will be Revolut. They'll provide you this QR code that you would have received. Okay, check your email however you signed up. And once you're done with that, you've successfully basically, activated your eSIM. You can also click here on continue, enter details manually as well. So you can select here, for example, secondary to choose your cellular plan labels. For primary and secondary, you can name your eSIM like Revolut or anything like that you want. You can choose your primary for how you want to use your cellular plans for iMessage, FaceTime, and also your cellular data. If you want to allow roaming or data switching as well, you can do this on this section. And once you're finally done, just go ahead and click here on done. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.